Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot was born in St. Louis, Missouri, USA in 1888. He became a naturalized British subject in 1927 and then he entered Harvard in 1906, and after a brief experience of teaching at Highgate School, he entered business in 1916 and spent 8 years in Lloyd's Bank in the city. And now we'll discuss some more questions about T.S. Eliot in MCQ form. Our first question is, Ezra Pound persuaded the editor of the magazine Poetry, a magazine of verse, to publish one of Eliot's work. Identify the same from the following. Answer is option D, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock. T.S. Eliot met Ezra Pound, who became his mentor, got his works published, and helped him in receiving critical acclaim. The title of The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock comes from option A is the answer, The Love Song of Har Dayal. The Love Song of Har Dayal was composed by Rudyard Kipling. Songs and Sonnets is by John Donne. Songs of Innocence and of Experience is by William Blake, and Song of Myself is by Walt Whitman. Eliot's first collection of essays, The Sacred Wood, appeared in option B is the right answer, 1920. It is a collection of 20 essays by T.S. Eliot. The well-known essays Tradition and Individual Talent and Hamlet and His Problems are part of this work. Which is the shortest section of the Wasteland? Our answer is option C, Death by Water. In this section, Eliot describes Phlebas, the Phoenician, who met his doom by drowning. In this section, Eliot goes against the concept of Christ's resurrection. He rejects the possibility of any sort of regeneration or renewal. The Wasteland was first published in option A is the right answer, the Criterion. It was first published in the Criterion in 1922. The title of the second section of The Wasteland, A Game of Chess, is taken from option D is the answer. That means option A and B both are included in the answer. These are the plays written by Thomas Middleton. Thomas Middleton was an Elizabethan playwright. He was born in London in 1580. His play, A Game at Chess, published in 1625, is an allegory about England and Spain's political tension. And his Women was his most famous tragedy, which depicts the degeneration of Bianca, wife of Leoncio, after the Duke of Florence seduces her in her husband's presence. This section emphasizes on the failure of love in the modern world. Arrange the following sections of The Wasteland in proper sequence. Option B is the right answer. That means E, A, C, D, B. The Burial of the Dead, A Game of Chess, Fire Sermon, Death by Water, What the Thunder Said. We often get confused in sequence during the exams. So, you can learn in this manner. बीजी ने FD कराई तो thunder जैसे चिल्लाई. Here B stands for burial, G stands for game, F stands for fire, D stands for death, and thunder itself is a word given in the last title, What the Thunder Said. So you can also, if in English you want to learn, BG got FD done, then screamed as thunder. Complete the following definition of poetry. Poetry is not a turning dash of emotions, but an escape from emotions. It is not the dash of personality, but an escape from personality. Option A is the right answer, loose and expression. So the full sentence will be, poetry is not a turning loose of emotions but an escape from emotions. It is not the expression of personality but an escape from personality. T.S. Eliot gave this a definition of poetry in Tradition and Individual Talent. Eliot dedicated The Wasteland to option C is the right answer, Ezra Pound. Ezra Weston Loomis Pound was his full name. He was a prominent figure of Imagist movement. To him, poetry was the embodiment of melody, images, and provocative thought. Eliot was awarded with Nobel Prize for Literature and Order of Merit in option C is the right answer, 1948. That means he got both the honors in 1948 itself.